Hello guys, I'm Swastik Sharma and today I will be talking about infrared sensors and also various places where infrared sensors are used. So let's go. Infrared sensors use infrared rays, and if you don't know about infrared rays, you can check the description for a video that I have uploaded before. It is regarding infrared rays and it's explained in detail. So you can check it out before watching this video so that you get a deeper understanding of infrared sensors. The main job of an infrared sensor is to detect infrared rays around it. So when you press a button on your TV remote transmits an infrared ray. And if you are pointing your TV remote towards your TV, the infrared ray basically gets transmitted to the TV. The TV has an infrared sensor installed inside it. So it detects the infrared ray coming towards it. And if there is a person standing between the TV remote and the TV, the ray will get disturbed and hence there will be a problem for the TV in detecting the infrared ray. Even if you place an object between the TV remote and the TV, there will be problems occurring. So that's why the infrared ray has to go on undisturbed towards the TV. And that is why we don't use visible light as a medium to communicate with the TV. If your TV remote emitted normal light, then there is so much light around us, and the light sensor inside the TV would not be able to differentiate between so many light sources in the area. So basically, you will have to use your TV in the dark so that the TV will be able to understand the light emitting from the remote. So that is why we use infrared rays for TV remotes. So now you know that your TV remote and your TV communicate in a certain way, and that is through infrared rays. So the question arising in your mind would be that how does your TV know which button is pressed on the TV remote? So the answer is very simple. It's Morse code. So Morse code is a method of communication between two people, and it's been highly used in the military. So the idea of Morse code is that every letter in the English alphabet will have a certain Morse code associated to it. By Morse code, I mean that a series of pulses, and those pulses are represented by dots and dashes. So dots represent shorter pulses and dashes represent longer pulses. So every letter in the English language will have a certain Morse code associated to it. And by Morse code, I mean a certain number of pulses associated to it. So if a person wants to transmit A to another person, there will be a certain number of pulses for A, and those pulses are represented by dots and dashes. So by dots, I mean shorter pulses, and by dashes, I mean longer pulses. So the same happens with the TV remote. Every button you press, a certain number of pulses are transmitted to your TV. So your TV remote is programmed in such a way that a certain number of pulses are mapped to each unique key in your TV remote. So when you press the volume button key on your TV remote, a certain number of pulses will be transmitted to your TV in the form of infrared ray pulses. So your TV will then receive those number of pulses from in the form of infrared ray, and then it will decode what button is pressed and it will perform the task in the TV. So when you press volume up button, the TV will understand that the volume up button has been pressed and volume will increase. So this is just one aspect of the application of infrared sensors. There are a lot of applications of infrared sensors, and there are two types of infrared sensors: active and passive infrared sensors. So to explain them in more detail, I'll make separate videos for both of them, active and passive infrared sensors, and I'll be uploading them in the future. You know so much about infrared sensors now. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more informative content that I'll be uploading in the future. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you know when I've uploaded the video of active and passive infrared sensors. Thank you.